Meaning of gaunt.
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 Gaunt. The word gaunt is an adjective that describes someone as excessively thin or bony in appearance, often as a result of illness, malnutrition, or aging. A gaunt person will usually have prominent cheekbones, sunken eyes, and appear physically weak. This adjective can also be used to describe a place or building that appears barren, desolate, and lacking in life. Additionally, gaunt can connote a sense of bleakness or hopelessness, as if someone has been through a difficult time and has come out the other side looking worse for wear. Overall, gaunt is a word that describes a physical or emotional state of exhaustion, fragility, and depletion.